The best way to make your hair fuller is to enhance your existing hair. What does that mean? It means keep your existing hair, use all your existing hair, and just add additional hair in between your existing hair. How is this possible? Through the invention of the microstrand. Now notice, as you've seen probably before, you see right through this. When it makes contact to your scalp, it disappears. Imagine a microscopic tip apparatus feeding one human hair at a time onto this to customize it for you to become this one example of the finished product. When this is blended between your own hair, it's gonna disappear. You're gonna have full access to your scalp.